OpenAI. OpenAI is a company who works in uh, artificial intelligence field mainly. So they have created this chatbot, we can say. This is ChatGPT. So after going to this website, we have to click on this chat, right, ChatGPT. Then you have to log in through your Gmail ID or something. Then you will reach to this page. Okay, I already have logged in to this page. So guys, let me tell you something about ChatGPT. So basically ChatGPT is a tool that is so much intelligent and so much powerful. You can interact with it and it will reply you like humans do, and even smarter than humans. Okay, so although this is in beta version right now, but still it has lots of capabilities and it can do lots of your daily work, office work, or like lots of things it can do. So you will be amazed to see its capability. So let me show you ask anything to this chatbot, and it will give you proper answer to that, and it is very intelligent. So what kind of things you can ask it? uh, you can ask it to write some code. Even it can write the code in any of the programming language, and that code will be so much accurate. So, and it can write uh, blogs for you, it can write articles, it can write email for you, and it can solve the physics problem, and any problem it can solve for you. So let me give you uh, write a React JS hello world program. Okay, so okay, and with creating this hello world code, it will explain you line by line, as if some human is writing this code. Okay, it will explain line by line so that you can create this application, create and use this hello world in your app. Okay, it is writing the code, and it is explaining you line by line. Okay, so let's check its code. Like, open a terminal window and create a new React project by running the following command. So it is asking to you create React app hello world with the name. Then change the directory, then npm start, and running localhost, and writing this code inside this, and then save the file and change the will be automatically reflected in the browser. Okay, so this is so much smart. It can write code also for you. So let me complex code. If I ask it to write code of express js to bind with mongodb. Wow, guys, it is now connecting express.js app to mongodb database. It is writing the code. Isn't it amazing? Wow. And it is explaining you line by line, as if some teacher is explaining it to you. Wow. I'm really surprised. Like, everyone, why this is why this is becomes so much popular, and everyone is talking about ChatGPT these days. Okay, and it can write in any of the programming languages. Okay, so guys, this is the program to connect express js app to mongodb. Wow. You rap song. Okay, let me try rap song. Write a new rap song for school. Okay, so I want a new rap song on the topic of school. Wow, guys, and it will make the rhymes also. It will Okay, so this is the rap song. I wake up early, hit the snooze button twice, gotta get ready, gotta pay the price. Okay, guys, can you see these words? Gotta learn and grow, gotta reach new heights, gotta make the grade, gotta win the fight. And if I write it to ask it to write this rap song again, it will create a new song. Okay, let me try it again. It will not give me the same song, that this is someone added this song, and then okay, this will okay. Let me ask it to write a new song. So it will write automatically generate a new song. Okay, again, a very new song. Wow. Guys, can you see? It is writing a new rap song every time with perfect lyrics. I wake up early, grab my backpack and my pen, gotta hit the books, gotta make it happen. You can ask it to write the email also, like write an email to my manager for coming late. Okay. Wow. Okay, as you can see, it wrote a perfect email for your manager. Okay, so and it also can write like articles and everything. So it also can write like articles and everything. So write an article on write an article on like anything global warming. This is very general topic. Okay, so it will write in article form properly. As you can see, these are the paragraphs. Okay, and if you use this article directly, so this is not something machine written article or something. It looks like some human has written this article. Okay. Okay, problem also. So I have these questions. These are the some school questions. An aeroplane accelerates down a runway this speed until it finally lifts the ground. Determine the distance traveled before takeoff. Okay, guys. So let me copy this physics problem, and I will ask it to chat GPT if let's see if it is able to answer this or not. It is taking some time because lots of people are using these days. Okay, guys, to solve this problem we can use the formula of average acceleration distance. It is explaining you very human uh, in very human style. Distance to write a poetry to praise my wife. Okay. So guys, this is very intelligent tool, and it can do lots of even more lots of even other things also. Okay, and these lines are not pre-written anywhere. It is just creating these lines, and it can do lots of things, and it can help you a lot in your daily day-to-day work. In your if you are a student, you can use it for your uh, school work, and if you are working somewhere, you can use it in your office to writing mails, and to writing code and everything. You can do it by using this tool. Okay, guys. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and this video gave you some insight of this tool chat gpt, and the capabilities of chat gpt and what it can do for you. Okay, guys. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button also, and press the notification bell. And thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Thank you.